Okay. Tell me you can see this, right? I'll move it around for you. Right. What's this? There's a bird. There's a bird. And there's the 5G towers. Up here. 5G towers. A bird. And a bird. Now let's see. Is that what that is? Yeah. I would say that's a bird. That's definitely a bird, like. There's a bird. Now, what's this? Right? You got to watch this. See that wee bird right there? What's this? There she is. What is that? What kind of bird is that? Any tweeters out there tell me what kind of bird that is? Or what is that from? Is that a cable? Or is it a cockatoo blue tit? I'll tell you what. What is that? What do you think? Hmm? What the hell, eh? What is that?